China has unveiled its latest military technology, showcasing powerful drones, long-range missiles, hypersonic weapons, and laser systems built to counter drone swarms. From advanced strike drones like the FH-97 and GJ-13 to the DF-61 missile with an estimated 15,000-kilometer range, the display highlights China's push to modernize its forces and gain a strategic edge in future conflicts. The exhibition also introduced laser-based defense systems built to neutralize drone swarms, reflecting lessons from modern conflicts such as the war in Ukraine. This display aligns with President Xi Jinping's call for the Chinese military to focus on readiness for real combat, and his broader push to build a world-class armed force. Analysts say the emphasis on drones, hypersonics, and advanced missile technology signals China's determination to modernize its arsenal and secure a strategic edge in future confrontations. What do you think about China's new drones, missiles, and laser weapons? Could this change the future of warfare? Share your thoughts below. Don't forget to like,